MMDA Road to Zero Waste Expo Clean Metro Manila.
According to our waste analysis and characterization study in 2023, the sources of waste in Metro Manila include household waste with at 35%, commercial waste at 24%, including budget waste with composing of composable waste at least 85%, the industrial waste at 17%, and the institutional waste at 11%. Despite our efforts, as mentioned by the different speakers, we have different approach through recycling, through information and education campaign, and other waste diversion effort. But based on our data, instead of mabawasan po ang ating basura na pumupunta sa landfill, and yet it was increased by 11%. So, wala ba tayong ginagawa na effort towards to zero waste? Parang ito tayong ginagawa. But it seems it is not yet effective. We have to do more in order to attain our road to zero waste intent. That is a 10-year program. So, we have to raise the concern to all stakeholders and must take actions. Together, all stakeholders, bawat isang Pilipino ay dapat maging responsable sa kanilang mga basura. Hindi nga alam na sabi niya sa speaker kanina, hindi ito dapat isang activity lang. It must be a practice. For every Filipino, for every household, for every establishment, it must be a practice. Our problem mainly is the increasing waste generation with low diversion rates, limiting the lifespan of our sanitary landfill in our remaining sites. Pinabotas sanitary landfill facilities operated by Pileco, the Rizal Provincial Sanitary Landfill and San Mateo Landfill operated by ISWIM. The ating productivity, as mentioned, is that it is not impossible for us na wala tayong ma-generate na waste. Ang meaning po ng ating road to zero waste ay dapat ang ultimate aim natin ay walang makarating na basura sa landfill. Basically, we have only two kinds of waste: recyclable waste and compostable waste. If we manage it properly, wala na po makakating sa landfill except, of course, yung tinatawag natin hazardous waste, but it can also be treated na hindi na rin makating sa landfill.
We extend our full support to the MMDA and all involved in this initiative. Let us continue to work hand in hand to transform Metro Manila into a model for sustainable urban living.
Kaya naman sa ngalan po ng kagawaran, nais po namin ipabatid sa inyo at sa ating mga kababayan na hindi po titigil ang pamahalaan, ang DILG, kasama po ang ibang ahensya sa pagkilos at pagbibigay ng mga mungkahi at solusyon tungo sa mas maayos na pamamahala o management po ng mga basura.
Kami sa Eco Waste Coalition ay buo ang pagtitiwala na sama-sama nating maiisip, pagpupunyagi na mararating natin ito ng sama-sama. Papunta doon sa inaasam natin ng Clean Metro Manila at isang zero waste na bansa.